Okay. Now I have explained you what is electron, what is proton, what is neutron. But if it will come, what will you write? Suppose if I will write what is electron. So just you can note it down also. Electron is a electron is a subatomic particles, subatomic particle, subatomic particle. Electron is a subatomic particle which revolves around the nucleus, around the nucleus and carry negative charge. So electron is what? Negative charge it carry and it revolves around the nucleus. Or also you can write that electron is the negatively charged subatomic particle which revolves around the nucleus. That also you can write. So what is proton? Proton is a positively charged subatomic particle present in the nucleus. So proton is what? Positively charged. Electron is what? Negative charge. Neutron. Neutron is what? It is a chargeless particle. It is a chargeless particle. Chargeless particle means no positive, no negative. Where it is present? Present in nucleus. Present in nucleus. So this is what is electron, what is proton, what is neutron. Now inside atom what all more things are there? Orbit is also there. So what is orbit? What is orbit? Orbit or shell. So orbit is what? It is a path. It is a path in which electron revolves. Electron revolves. Where it revolves? Around the nucleus. Around the nucleus. So this is orbit. Okay, orbit is also known as what? Orbit is also known as shell. So this is all about your what is electron, what is proton, what is neutron, what is orbit, what is shell, and last is your what is nucleus. Nucleus is what? It is the central part of the atom. Central part of the atom. So nucleus is the central part of the atom where proton and neutron both lies. So this is the all about your atom. Now come molecule. Molecule definition we have written. Molecule is the particle which may not exist independently. So remember that molecule is two types. One is molecule of element. Molecule of element. Another is molecule of compound. Molecule of element, molecule of compound. We know that element classified as metal, non-metal, noble gases. You have read metalloid. So from those element, their molecule are known as molecule of element. So molecule of element, molecule of compound. Suppose if I write oxygen, oxygen, it is oxygen molecule written as O2. Molecule of element, it means what? Molecule of element consists of one type of atom. One type of atom. Remember that it consists of one type of atom. One atom, not one type of atom. It means in oxygen you see that O2, here two oxygen atom is there. How many oxygen atom is there? Two oxygen atom is there. So it consists of one type of atom. Similarly, if I write another example, suppose hydrogen. Hydrogen. Hydrogen, it is H2. Symbol is H. Molecular formula is H2. Nitrogen. Nitrogen, N2. So here you see, it is made up of one kind of atom, that is hydrogen, hydrogen. This is also made up of one kind of atom, that is nitrogen, nitrogen. Now come molecule of compound. Molecule of compound, it consists of two or more different type of atom. Different type of atom means, suppose if I tell water, H2O, here see that two type of atom are there. Two type of, one is hydrogen, one is oxygen. If I take salt, our salt, sodium chloride, NaCl, two type of atom is there, one is sodium, one is chlorine. Okay, acid, suppose I will tell sulfuric acid, H2SO4, three type of atom, one is hydrogen, one is sulfur, one is oxygen. So molecule of compound consists of two or more different type of atom, and molecule of element consists of two type of atom. Type, I am repeating, type, not two atom. Water, it has three atoms, but two type. Three atoms, two type, but two type. This is very important. Here two type of atom. Here how many atoms? 7 atoms. But three type. This thing is very much conceptual thing. How many types of atom? How many atoms? Okay. So this is all about your molecule of element, molecule of compound. Hari Om.